What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you how to play Best Song Ever by One Direction. So you can actually check out the playlist because I did a lot of one days because actually we have the 23rd reunion. So I did for that. So it will be great if we see that there are some new songs coming out by then. But still, let's have a look at the song, Best Song Ever. So we have the keyboard on the first fret, and throughout the whole song we likely have just 3 chords. Except the bridge we have another part. So if you just have a look at the structure, we start off with the intro, then we have the verse, then we have the chorus. Likely before the chorus we have a pre-chorus, then after the chorus we have another verse, another pre-chorus, another chorus, then a bridge, and then a chorus. Now the only change is in that bridge part where Zayn sings. Otherwise the whole song is exactly same. So let's get started. Keep on the first fret as usual. Just have a look at this open chord shapes. They are very easy to play. So let's have a look at it. Now the first chord is basically a C sus2, which I'm playing mute, 3-3, open, first fret, open. Now it's better if you just add the F over here. It's likely a F/C sus2, which is first fret on the E string with your thumb, but it's a complete big option. After that we have a G major, which is 3-2-0-0-0-3. Then you have an A minor, which is mute 0-2-2-1-0. So top E is muted. Then you have a C major, which is mute 3-2-0-1-0. And the last chord F major, which is 1-3-3-2-1-1. That's it. Now let's get started with the first part, which is basically the intro, and this actually goes. It's actually quite a lot easy to play, not a bit tricky. So what you do is not everything which I'm telling is actually related to capo on the first fret. So I start off playing the E string first fret, and then I play 8th fret on the E string, but basically I just do a slide while coming to the 8th fret from the 7th fret on the E string. So all the stuff is on the E string there. Do a slide, and then I come back on the 3rd fret of the E string, and that's basically everything for the intro. And what I like to do is I just always keep my hand moving down, down, down to get that dynamic over here. F, C, G. Where comes the chord progression? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So that's almost everything. Now let's have a look at this part, which is the verse. The chord progression for the verse and the pre-chorus, even for the chorus. So just have a look at the verse and the pre-chorus. It's a F, it's a C sus, but I add the F on the bass, so it's a F/C sus. Then a C, then a G. Now the count goes on the ladder. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the count goes like that. Just have a look. We play the C sus chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the N of the 4 we just go to the C major chord. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So it's basically 1 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 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 and so we got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think the melody goes something like that. But she kissed me last year, Mary. I say Jimmy, give me back. So for the verse you can just go with this. And the was a tennis. I don't remember the lyrics of the first verse, but the second verse obviously. For the second verse, what you can do is you can just do some extra moves and all. So you can do down, cap, back, down, down, cap, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. So seeing is I always keep my hand moving, and I'm also strumming in the same time. So that makes me a lot easy to sing, and on the other hand, it actually sounds a lot great, man. So it's like I do a mute, down, pop, 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 pop. Everything will be more clear when I show you the string pattern of the chorus. So this was basically the for the verse, and when you just go to the pre-chorus, you can just do I stay to me, give me back to me. And then you move on to chorus. Everything so this one, the string pattern for the chorus will be just have a look. On the C sus chord we have down, down, up, up, and on the C we just gonna do a down, and on the G we just gonna do the entire string pattern, which will be a down, down, up, up, down. So you got so you got dance on that fall. So we dance on that fall. There's nothing in the song, nothing much to learn in the song, because we just have that C sus, C and the G, so we are just moving on 3 chords throughout the whole song. So therefore the string pattern is indeed a lot easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. And after that we have that post-chorus. And you see there's something in the middle goes we actually do that hammer on we actually do a slide from 7 to 8 on the E string. So and then just slide back. And that's nothing much, not important at least. So and this we have one riff when we just enter the next verse. So it's basically on a C major chord. So it's a pull off from 1 to open on the B string, then a pull off from 2nd to open on the G string, then a pull off to open on the D string, and then we do a down on the C major chord. That's it, and then we just move on to the next verse. What you can do is you can just apply the chorus string pattern, but you can just apply 1 down each chord, and after that you can just do some muted down and ups over there. So down, mute, up, up, down, down, mute, up, up, down, and that's the reason I'm saying that it will be more clear when I show you the chorus string pattern. So that goes for the verse, pre-chorus, and the chorus indeed. And after that we have the bridge. You know, I know, you know, I remember really, So the chord progression will be a F, then a G, then an A minor, then a C. And I like to do 1 down in each chord. So I remember. So it's basically 1 down each chord, simple, just 1 bar rest. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, C major, 2, 3, 4. And then when you move to the next one, I like to do 2 downstroke in the song. Like there's a beat. Yeah, so I do 2 downstroke. You know, I know, you know, I remember how we danced, how we danced. We know every line, how we goes for the how we danced. Let me have that high note over there. So then you can just do 4 downstroke on each chord, and in that way you can actually build up with the dynamic and go to the chorus. So you start with 1 down, then you go to 2 down, and then again it becomes a bit soft and you do 1 down, and and then you come 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, down, 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 and you have the chorus, and you can just rock over here. Down, down, up, up, down. See this? Say it. Down, down, up, up, down. Down, down, up, up, down, down. Best song ever. It was the best song ever. It was the best, and you can just play with the F and the G, and that will be enough. For this lesson, till this much is a lot. And if this helps you out, make sure you drop me one of these. I just want to say something, guys. At the moment, thanks for all your support, and I'm actually supposed to be at 1.6k subs, maybe more than that, but something happened actually, like I got spammed or hacked. Something happened, I'm sure about that. I even sent some email to YouTube community also for that thing, because my subscribers, for a certain time, likely for a certain time of a duration of 10 minutes, I see there's a sudden subscriber decrease of 50 subs, and that actually made me worried a lot. And I discovered, I just had a glance, just followed the time, the day and all, and I saw that it was the same thing happening daily. So I'm supposed to be at a lot more subscribers at the moment, but surely this thing actually let me a lot down. But I'm just gonna sure to make up with that, and something will be fixed, I'm sure about that. Till then, bye, and I will be obviously regular, so drop me the comment below any song that you want on the guitar, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.